mixing up some hair that I have today that my sister had, and she doesn't want it anymore, so I am going to fix it. I have a pulled out one right here, and I will pull it out the rest of these just like this, just make it like this. I am going to crochet it on the socks bun, and you will be seeing it in the video. So continue watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. So guys, I made a socks bun, and I'm going to crochet these here on this socks bun right here. I made one of these last week and it turned out well, so I decided to do it on camera. So it showed up on the screen right there. I made it last week and I decided to just do another one to see if it could turn out. Yes, God did it on the video, so yes guys. So guys, if you want to see how it turned out, just continue to watch the video and you will see. Okay guys, I am halfway done actually. Guys, so this is the next day of making my hair, and I'm going to wash it and fix it up for you guys. You will see when I will wash it and style it. Yes, of course, you will see. I put it out last night and it is done for washing. So guys, I was just showing you how I wash this hair, and I'm showing you the product that I use to wash the hair. I use aloe vera shampoo and aloe vera conditioner in this. So this is the hair that I washed. We are going to go ahead and blow dry it and style it, and yes guys, and maybe put it on my hair if I can today.